It's starting.
Okay, this is the start of the video. If all 4 girls jump and Raymond does it, then wow.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
All 4.
You're gonna be not a good swimmer. You're gonna die.
Ready?
She looks swimming.
Oh God.
Yay! Ah!
3. Wait, what?
2, 1.
What?
Hey. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Hold.
Your turn.
Okay, wait.
Did you touch the bottom?
Kind of, but not really.
Wait, I don't see that right there. I don't want to touch
might go.
it. Can you touch it? Yeah.
Going now or want to go now? You can go first.
I'll go. But
I'm gonna wait for Andrea. Are you coming?
Yeah. After her.
Oh, she's gonna go next?
With us. Oh, wait, okay, I got really scared just now.
Cannonball.
Just now.
I know, can I?
3, 2.
Wait, no, don't.
Oh.
You can jump like that. You can jump standing up.
I think it'll be safer actually.
I jump like this and I want
The video's still running.
There.
For your legs.
Pam, can you wait for me over there? Oh, yeah. Just if I want to jump in.
Don't run. You might slip. Yeah, that's what I'm not gonna do that.
Actually,
Wait,
it's kind of nice now.
Right?
No, it's
Maybe I'll jump.
count 3, 2, 1, then jump yourself.
It's like really far out.
That's what I keep thinking. Don't think that way.
Okay. Wait.
So slippery.
Sorry, you're videotaping for a long time, but I'm getting really scared. Okay. It wasn't that bad?
It
You
wasn't
didn't touch
bad. It
anything?
actually felt really nice.
You didn't touch anything?
I didn't touch anything. Not
Yeah.
till after.
It's really nice for her to
Okay.
really bad.
That's smart too. Why did I think of that?
Okay, I'm
All the
going.
way down.
Okay. 1.
2.
Wait, don't count. 1, 2, 3.
Those balls.
Okay, I'm going. Okay, count.
3,
3.
2,
Wait, start from 3 again.
3,
3.
2, 1. Ah!
Oh!
Oh my god, that was so cool.
Is it my turn now? I'm waiting.
And it's
No,
so
it's
cold in here.
No, it's your turn.
Do you have enough memory?
I'm going up with her.
Oh my god, that was like the
Should I turn this off? Should I turn the video off?